In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Freshsales for SaaS sales. Freshsales can help you manage the full SaaS sales journey, from capturing leads and qualifying prospects to scheduling demos, sending follow-ups, closing deals, and tracking revenue. SaaS stands for Software as a Service, which means customers typically subscribe to a software product instead of making a one-time purchase. Because of that, the sales process often involves multiple touchpoints, and having a clear pipeline is especially important. Start by logging into your Freshsales account. The first thing you'll want to do is create a pipeline that matches your SaaS sales process, so your team can track every opportunity consistently from first contact through closing. Once you're inside the account, go to the admin settings. From there, click Deals and Pipelines, and then select Pipelines. This is where you can create and customize the stages that reflect how your sales team actually works. Next, click Create Pipeline. Give it a clear name, such as SaaS Sales Pipeline. A good pipeline name makes reporting easier and helps everyone immediately understand what this workflow is for. Now begin setting up your stages. Enter new lead first. You'll notice there are already some default stages in Freshsales, including New, Closed Won, and Closed Lost. These are helpful because they represent the beginning and the final outcomes of a deal. New is for incoming opportunities, Closed Won means the deal converted successfully, and Closed Lost means the opportunity didn't move forward. After that, add a contacted stage and set it to 20% probability. Probability helps estimate how likely a deal is to close at that stage, which improves forecasting and gives your team a clearer view of expected revenue. Then add a qualified stage and set it to 60% probability. This stage is useful for leads that fit your ideal customer profile and have shown genuine interest. Add demo scheduled next, also at 60% probability, to reflect that a prospect has agreed to see the product in action. Then add demo completed and set it to 70%. This tells your team the prospect has already seen the value of the product and may be closer to a buying decision. After that, add a proposal stage and set it to 80%, which works well for deals where pricing or terms have been shared. Next, add a negotiation stage and set it to 90% probability. This stage is ideal for final conversations around pricing, legal review, or contract terms. You'll also still have the won and lost stages, which are essential for accurately closing out every deal and maintaining clean reporting. Once your pipeline is ready, you can start importing or capturing leads. You can add SaaS prospects manually or import them in bulk, depending on how your team works. For a strong Freshsales setup, focus on lead management, deal management, automation, and reports and dashboards. That way, Freshsales becomes a complete SaaS sales workflow, not just a place to store contacts. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.